In the last 24 months, we have witnessed one of the most explosive creations of wealth in human history. A single technology, artificial intelligence, has minted millionaires overnight and propelled companies into the trillion-dollar club at a breathtaking speed. The numbers are staggering, the headlines are intoxicating, and every single one of us is feeling that powerful, nagging question in the back of our minds. Am I missing out on the biggest opportunity of my lifetime? But there's another, quieter voice, a ghost from the past that whispers a warning. It remembers the year 2000. It remembers the hype, the euphoria, and the devastating crash that followed. So what is the truth about AI? Are we standing at the dawn of a new industrial revolution? Or are we dancing on the edge of a cliff, about to repeat the dot-com bubble all over again? This is the dilemma every smart investor is facing right now. The fear of missing out, or FOMO, is pushing us to jump in, while the memory of fortunes lost on companies like Pets.com and Webvan is holding us back. That paralysis, that uncertainty, is the single biggest risk to your money today. But what if I told you there's a third option? A way to participate in the incredible growth of AI without having to gamble on which flashy new company will be the next Google, and which will be the next to go bankrupt. There is a strategy, a playbook that smart money has used for centuries. And today, I'm going to share it with you. To understand this strategy, we have to travel back in time to the California gold rush of the 1850s. Thousands of prospectors rushed west, dreaming of striking it rich. Some of them did, but many more went home with nothing but empty pockets and broken dreams. The people who made the most consistent, reliable fortunes weren't the ones digging for gold. It was the clever entrepreneurs who sold the miners their tools, the picks, the shovels, the sturdy blue jeans. They didn't care who found the gold. They made money from everyone who was trying. This is the picks and shovel strategy, and it is the single best way to invest in the AI revolution today. Instead of trying to guess which AI company will win, we invest in the foundational tools that all of them need to function. We become the smart shopkeeper for the AI gold rush. And there are three main tools on our shelves. First, we sell the brains. AI, at its core, is just incredibly complex math. And to do that math at lightning speed, you need specialized computer chips, the most powerful semiconductors ever created. Companies like Nvidia don't sell AI apps. They design the essential hardware, the digital picks and shovels that every single AI company, from Google to the smallest startup, desperately needs. Investing in the chip makers is the purest form of this strategy. You are betting on the entire industry's need for more and more computing power, which is the safest bet in this entire revolution. Second, we sell the power plants. These powerful AI chips are useless on their own. They need a home, a massive, energy-hungry, super-cooled home called a data center. AI models consume astronomical amounts of electricity and generate immense heat. The companies that build and operate the cloud infrastructure, the Amazons, the Microsofts, the Googles, are providing the essential land and electricity for this gold rush. As every industry rushes to integrate AI, the demand for this cloud infrastructure is exploding. By investing here, you are investing in the very foundation upon which the entire AI world is being built. And third, we sell the guardians. This revolution is creating the largest, most valuable, and most vulnerable collections of data the world has ever seen. Every new AI tool, every new model, and every new user is a potential target for hackers. The need to protect this digital gold is no longer optional. It's existential. The companies that provide the cyber security, that build the digital fortresses around these data centers and AI models, are providing an absolutely critical tool. As the AI industry grows, the cybersecurity industry guarding it must grow in lockstep. It is one of the most surefire growth stories within this entire trend. So let's bring it all together. You are no longer standing on the sidelines, paralyzed by the fear of choosing the wrong stock. You are no longer a frantic gambler trying to find a single nugget of gold. You are now the strategic supplier. You are investing in the brains, the power plants, and the guardians of the AI revolution. You win no matter which AI app becomes the most popular, because all of them have to buy their tools from your shop. You have replaced the fear of gambling with the confidence of a smart business owner. This is how you turn the biggest hype cycle of the 21st century into a calculated, professional investment strategy. You are participating in the incredible growth, but you are doing it with a built-in margin of safety. Your very first action step is simple. Start researching ETFs or exchange-traded funds that focus on these three core areas. There are ETFs for semiconductors, for cloud computing, and for cybersecurity. This is the easiest way to buy a basket of these picks and shovels companies all at once. What's your biggest question about investing in AI? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're ready to invest smarter, hit that subscribe button. Welcome to the revolution.